Hey everybody, wanted to come back and let you guys know it's towards the end of the season for us. And what I like to do is show you a little tip that I like to do. The Starlight prayer, which is right here. Costs 20 bucks. I picked it up already, lasts for about a week. But you pretty much get to half your time on all buildings. So increasing cabin power, stargazing power, and recruiting heroes get a certain amount of starlight power and blessings. But the most important here is effective on buildings. Building cost is 50% less, and works for anything under 53. So what I like to do is I like to save up all of my speed ups for cabins and constructions, whatnot, and I use it all on my oarsmen and the gun base. So I already updated a bunch of them, but as you can see, I save up towards the end of the season so I can unload all at one time. I get all those done at a reduced price, which is 50% off. So I'm gonna get these, you can see here, up to 19. And then I do go all the way from all the guns to 19 for the speed ups. As you can see that. So that's my tip. Save up all your speed ups. See how much I have left. Quite a bit. So it'll give you a really big boost towards the end of the season, heading into the next. Everything is halved, so that's a great thing. Especially on resources. Right, you get to save your resources, or half of it, so you can get twice as much. Double the bang for your buck. I like to do the oarsmen's most because more hit points, better survivability. But at level 23, you can take a look. It takes 30 days, and that's at 50%. So that's quite a bit on one of these suckers. 30 days. So I'll do the math. It's 240, like 750, I think. Of other things. Let me see. Let's see, you guys some math on that. Let's see. What the heck? Give me a second, guys. Yep. So, to get this to, that's a 50 days, 24, right? The extra HP we're getting is 100,000, but it takes 720 speed ups. So, at this point in time, I don't want to waste it because, yeah, I'm running out of speed ups. So I'd rather do my guns right now. That's more of a beneficial upgrade for me. Yeah, I'll do my gun base. '20s, come out up to 20s. Let's see how far we can go. Let's see here. Upgrade. I wonder if I'm trading. Okay, I'm trading. That's good. chatting this up with you. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Where are we at? Okay, here we are. 19. See how far I can get this. Uh, 20. Let's go to 20. It looks like that's the end of the line for me. Yep, it looks like it's it, guys. Probably get one. Yeah, that's it. All out of speed ups, ladies and gentlemen. So just so you guys take a look, it gets significantly more pricey. So 15 days, right, at level 20. So anything plus 20, you're looking at 15, 20 days, 30 days type of thing. That's obscene. Maybe they'll change it later on for the building costs and everything else to maybe reduce. But even at 30 days for level 24s is kind of ridiculous if you ask me. But I guess they don't want you to max out all the way right off, right? So anyways, guys, remember for this event, it's really beneficial for you guys to pick it up. It's $20. It'll give you a big upgrade on life and extra attacks if you can. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and drop a comment.